Hi everyone, welcome to Slippery Chicken Barbecue. I'm warming my hands up over the grill here because it is cold. We got like 10 inches of snow last night, plus it's super windy out. But today we're going to make some simple meatball grinders, or subs.
Make that be a movie, okay?
For the grill setup, I'm just going to use one basket. Got about half a chimney of charcoal here. While I get the grill all warmed up today, I got all pre-packaged stuff. Basically, using packaged meatballs. Spread them out on these trays. Trying to make things really easy today. So we got these meatballs and I have the freezer I wanted to use up. Plus I even have a packaged spaghetti sauce I'll use from there. So just keep things simple. Meatballs are already pre-cooked, these need to be warmed up. Sauce just needs to be warmed up. We'll get everything on the grill shortly. Alright, we got this grill warmed up. Get these meatballs on here. We're not going to be cooking them very long. I do want to get some cherry wood on there. Flavor. We'll let those cook a little bit. Be back. They've been on for about 15 minutes. I'm going to actually turn them around, even cooking. I'm going to give them about another 5 minutes or so. Alright, he's been going for about another 5 minutes or so. Get this sauce on there now over the rolls. Just want to heat it up a little bit. I'm also going to start toasting my buns. Just put open my buns here. Pretty good toast. Not a lot of room, so. It's so cold out. I'm going to let everything warm up here and we'll be back. Oh yeah, the sauce is simmering nice. Alright, time to assemble these grinders. Alright, pretty easy stuff. Just put some sauce at the bottom. holes in there. If I can hold them. And we're going to put some sauce on top. So that's in the bun. The rest of the sauce, most more of the sandwiches. Put some onions on these. Top these all with mozzarella cheese. Alright, you let that cheese melt in the bag. Well, I'm calling these done. Cheese not melted as much as I wanted, but they're melted. So, let's give this a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chicken approved.